Yo, yeah. Put some new grips on. Got the MIG V2s, lock-on grips. And then changed out my bar pad because I attempt to run red on my bike even though I have no red on there, so that wouldn't bother some people, but it bothers me. And this was no fun. Because see on these, they come with cams. And these cams on here, well, I mean, I guess they all come with cams, but like, you got to snap on the cam when you got to snap on the cam correctly to have your throttle position in the right spot. Well, it's just more of a pain. Surprisingly, it was actually easier on the two-stroke than it was on the new bike. Then we got old Ben Dog over here putting on his new plastics. It's about to look like a whole different bike. Is that the plan?
That's the plan.
He put on some MIG grips too. I've never ran them before, but I'm thinking that they're probably going to be pretty good. They feel really good in your hand, and like if I have like the waffle part in my hand, it really tears up, like it rips my calluses here on my palms. So they're actually more in like your fingers, so you actually grip more with your fingers now, which should be all right.
I don't know if we're gonna get this stretched.
What do you mean? What, all of it?
Well, the radiator is kind of dead.
Well, it was in there before.
Oh, okay. Let's have to push it back a little bit. It wasn't there before. Here, you're gonna run this.
Okay.
And I'm gonna push my radiator back to you. I'll tell you
Is
what.
it on?
Right there. That's good. There's one side down. Looks like I need to order a new radiator.
That looks pretty good. I like it.
Well, this radiator is not horrible. It's not great.
Was you able to get your washers out of the other side?
Yep.
Nice. For anybody wondering, this is a 2002, and it's, I don't know. Here in a second, I don't really feel like it's going to look much like a 2002. It's going to look real good with all the new plastic and graphics and stuff.
Look at you over here protecting it.
Oh yeah. Can't get scratched. Look at, you should know.
The bean oil smells pretty delicious.
I know. Like if you were somewhere and they said, yeah, we've got a drink that smells like cloth bean oil, would you drink it?
I think so.
I think I would have to take a sip out of there.
I wish they had air fresheners. I'll be down.
That's going to be a new thing. It's going to be cloth bean oil air freshener. We should come up with that. You know how many
C1
t-shirts?
or whatever that stuff is, the bike polish?
Yeah.
Oh,
You know how many guys would love to
dude, especially
have that?
Our dad's age.
Yeah.
When that stuff came out.
Yeah. People would be putting it in their garages. I guarantee it.
I would be.
Just to have it smell like that all the time.
I'm glad that my garage does smell like this all the time. I accidentally start it all the time.
You accidentally started it?
Yeah. The wife comes out and I said, I'm sorry, I accidentally bumped the starter button.
Yeah, it happens. Sometimes I'm just walking by and it just starts up.
Is this ready yet?
This old guy's gonna get replaced here in a little bit. She's a little roached. So we're gonna pull this off and put a nice new Pro Circuit R304 on it.
Hey, my tires are holding there. That's good. Got a good tube.
Yeah.
That's been like 5 days ago. I might not need this one. I have to look.
Like it came with some pre-put in there or something.
Yeah, throw it for a moment, see.
Don't want to start losing stuff. At least you have matching bolts on your plastic. That's good. My RMZ doesn't.
Right, there we go. Let me get those and then drop.
And then you gotta, well, I said all matching until I got to this one. And look at the size difference there. Wow. Spoke too soon.
Go for it, broski. Gorgeous.
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 Oh.
We'll go front again. Where's that smacker at? The thing you smack in the air.
Yeah, that's definitely what that is. I don't even know why you'd have a front fender if you weren't smacking it in midair.
Right?
With your forehead or your hand, whichever.
Whichever. Right in front of your face. What do you think it is? Oh.
Gross.
Yeah, it is gross. It's gross how much it already looks so much better.
Yeah. No, it's amazing what a new set of plastic does to a bike. Plastic and
It's
graphics.
amazing how people don't put like a new set of plastics when they're going to ask $4,000 for their $1,500 bike.
Yeah.
Because then they might actually get close.
Mm-hmm. Mom, repeat. So fresh, so clean.
You know, bin ball can't roll with trash.
Nope. That's gonna look good and sound good. Much better than that one. Dude, look at the difference. That might be stock.
It is stock. That's Suzuki right on it.
Oh, does it? I never even paid attention.